Hi, this is Aisha. Let's continue chapter number 6, ICT applications. Today we will discuss about booking systems. Online booking system use real-time processing which allows users to make and confirm bookings instantly. Once payment has been received and booking is confirmed, then booking cannot be double booked. So what are the advantages of a booking system? You can check the availability and you can compare the prices. Instant confirmation prevents duplications, can use special offers. What are the disadvantages? It may be difficult to cancel the bookings and get money back while you are using online systems. If the system breaks down, a lot of business can be lost, and website may not be the user friendly. So computers are often used to book or reserve air flights, seats in the cinemas or theater, rooms in a hotel, tables in a restaurant. What is the process of booking? What are the steps for booking? First one is search. According to your requirements, search the date, time, venue, destination. So what you want to do. First step is search. Second step is select. Select from the different available options. Let's take example of air flights. If you want to search, you can set the dates, you can set the time, destination also. Then you have to select from the different available option. Multiple flights are going to your destination, then you can choose your best option. Third step is review, finalize and pay. Then review your selection, give your personal information, personal detail, and pay by giving your payment details and the mode of payment. Okay, after giving all this information, last step is booking confirmation. If there is no issue in your payment or in your personal details or in your selection, then booking confirmation, or you can have a booking rejection. Rejection in case of seat is unavailable, time delay, or you have wrong card details. So these are the cases where you can get the rejection of the booking. So these are the steps of booking process. A real-time system is one where every input is processed immediately so that the resulting output is ready before the next input is processed. So immediately, for example, if two persons are doing it at the same time, so one has clicked the confirmation, then within a second delay, the next person has clicked on the confirmation, so it should be rejected. Okay, it should not be processed. In case of a booking system, the inputs are booking request. The processing involves checking if bookings are possible, and if so, making the booking. The outputs are booking confirmations or the rejections. Just giving you an example of a seat reservation system. For example, here you are giving an input, please reserve the seat 38C. Okay, you have a specific seat, you want to reserve that seat. It will check. What is the process? It will check if it is available or already been booked. It is not already been booked, so book it. Okay, so what can be the output for this? Booking confirmed for this specific seat. Within a second, next someone else give the same input, please reserve the same seat. Now what happened? It will check. In the processing, it will check if this seat is already been booked. Yes, this is already booked. So what will happen now? Booking will be rejected. Okay, so this is all for the booking system. For the complete chapter video, you can go to playlist. Thank you very much for listening.